Hello everyone, this video will show you how to diagnose the Everlasting Comfort humidifier emitting no mist while the green indicator light is on. The atomizer is dirty. To clean the atomizer, turn the humidifier to the off position, then unplug the humidifier from the wall. If the base is not already filled up with water, add a few ounces of water to the base. Then, clean the atomizer with a brush or a cotton swab and empty the humidifier of the dirty water. Usually, only a brush is needed to clean the atomizer, but if the atomizer is heavily soiled or caked up with mineral deposits, simply add a few ounces of water to the base and use one small dash of dish soap. Then, empty the base of the soapy water mixture. If you're using soap, make sure to rinse the base with water, making sure to not get water into the underside of the base where the circuit boards are located. Then, dry with a towel, focusing thoroughly on drying the atomizer. Now, plug the unit back into the wall, put the water tank back on, and turn the humidifier to the on position.